For this video, HOPOW sent over this really cool power strip. This is perfect for the home or office. When you're looking to plug in multiple things, you may not have the access on your wall. You're just simply gonna be able to plug this in. It's gonna give you access to 12 three-prong outlets. You do have 6 on the front, and then you're gonna have 3 on each side. Now on the front here, as you can see, it does have 2 USB outlets and 2 USB-C outlets, which is perfect. So that way you can plug in all your smartphone devices with just the cord. You don't need the actual brick to be able to plug it into the outlet here. Now the main thing I noticed about this is just how secure it holds all your electrical cords. When you do plug it in, it feels nice and secure. There's no jiggle whatsoever, and it does a great job, especially with your smartphone, just being able to charge it up really fast. It does have a master power button at the top here, so you can just turn everything on and off with a simple push of a button. And what I really like about it too is that on the back, you're able to mount this onto something. So it does come with 2 screws. You can just simply put it on there and mount it like onto the back of your desk or wall and just kind of keep it out of the way. It does come with a 5-foot low profile extension cord. That's always nice. You can see like the low profile view here. And I love that too. So that way you can just kind of plug this in. You're able to push like a bookshelf back up flush against the wall. And there's just not much of a gap in the back there. So if you are looking for a really nice power strip for your home or office, this one right here is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching.